my God. Dito kami ngayon sa Tanay Viewpoint. So we always like to eat in this place whenever we go back to Parañaque from the farm. Overlooking siya. And then, masarap din yung food. Actually, affordable pa. Sobrang lakas ng ulan ngayon. So again, we are here at Tanay Viewpoint. So later, I'm going to show you what we've ordered for the day. MJ! What did you order, darling?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, that's good. Ala, lakas ng ulan. Coffee. Ano sa man style ani? Mura may dak nga nagbaba.
Serenyo ba yun?
Cute ng kanilang ano.
Sige. May sinanda kang pick. I-check mo na lang.
Daddy ordered a black coffee. It's like they love all of the food that we've ordered. Grabe guys, sobrang lakas talaga ng ulan. Happy eating! Jay, what can you say about the food that we ordered?
It's good.
It's good? Like, can you rate them from 1 to 5? What's your rating? Food rating? Huh? Of course, pizza, you rate pizza at 5?
I rate this place.
This place. What?
I like this place.
You like this place? How about the food?
I rate this place.
How about you, Kuya? The pizza. What can you say about the pizza? Like, 1 to 5. What's gonna be the rating? 5. Then the sinigang and the pinakbet. What can you say about it? You love it? MJ? You love the vegetable? Yan siya, oh. Naningkamot among batag hungit. Taon kay grade 1 ako no si Jadi na siya magpahungit. Hello, gamang grade 1 no. Arkahimos, oh. A grade 1 na naghanag kanon. You can finish all of that, MJ. Oh, careful ha. May tinik. Ayan siya. Hindi na daw siya magpapasubo because he is already in grade 1. Almost done with this food and also Kuya DM is done, so walang tira. Ubusin yung tirang gulay, ano. So MJ, do you like the food here? Kuya, ayan, just maayos na kumain si MJ talaga. Simula nung umuwi siya ng Leyte, magaling na siyang kumain ng lutong bahay. Happy eating! Mainit na ulit! Hi Kuya! Mainit na ulit ang paligid.
Parang nasa ano ata yun nila ate. Oo, kuya diba?
MJ!
Yung kamukha niya po yung sabi ko, hala, talagang zinon ko pa.
This is Tanay Viewpoint. So if you have time, you can visit here and try their Santos food in a very affordable price.
Masarap pa yung pizza nila sa Greenwich.
Ayun, masarap daw po yung pizza nila dito compared sa Greenwich. Happy eating!